This video we are going to review Litecash, so let's mine away. Hello guys, BitTruth here. Today we're going to talk about Litecash, a cryptocurrency that picked up steam recently and is one of the most interesting cryptocurrency projects that you could speculative mine or actually, buy over the counter right now, which is really interesting. So what is this project? What is Litecash? Is it the next Ravencoin? Is it the next Zcash? So let's actually discuss. So basically, it's a fork of Beam and they're more decentralized than Beam. Okay, nothing goes to the project. Okay, it's fully decentralized, community run, no pre-mine, no ICO, no taxes, which I really don't understand what that means. Okay, ASIC resistance. Okay, fast, safe privacy. This is another privacy coin. Okay, it's peer-to-peer digital currency, so it's really interesting cryptocurrency to say the least. But what's not really interesting is that, they don't have any white papers. I think this will come really soon. Let's just hope so. And I just clicked on something. Okay, I just came back here. Anyways, they say that they're easy to use even though it's the same wallet from Beam. Okay, as you can see, this is the Beam wallet. Okay, this is the Litecash wallet, so it's literally the same. Okay, it's like the copy from the Beam wallet, so nothing new. Okay, another thing, they're saying that they're advanced security. Okay, they're decentralized. Okay, our lightweight implementation of Mimblewimble minimizes the amount of storage space and allows mobile devices to run a full node, which is actually insane. Okay, you have also ASIC resistance as we discussed. So why is this project really interesting? First things first, okay, there's a lot of hype around it. They have literally an OTC market right now running. That, as we're speaking, people are buying and selling cryptocurrencies on this market. As you can see, PayPal merchants and all that stuff, things are going out of control at this point. Another thing which is interesting to me, okay, that other YouTubers like Ravencoin, I mine blocks, which is another cryptocurrency YouTuber, okay, who makes cryptocurrency mining videos. Okay, I love his videos too. Okay, anyways, everyone is actually talking about this cryptocurrency. That's why it's interesting. But even what's more interesting is that Zuko, the founder of Zcash, retweeted Litecash's tweet and saying we will be fighting the privacy battle as the first fork of Beam. Now, the thing is, Zuko does never ever retweet any projects, in particular any new projects. So, out of the blue, Zuko just retweeted a project, even though he retweets every day, but he retweets news, maybe his friends, but a new project. Another thing we're going to also talk about is the wallet. Now, it is really good to adopt the wallet from Beam, which is really interesting, so I really love that. But at the end of the day, it's really interesting to see. Now, there's legend goes that says, Litecash actually got followed by Zuko at first, but because people got mad at him, he unfollowed them. I'm not sure the legitimacy of that. But at the end of the day, what this project can deliver, I believe this project is, really interesting because you can also mine from your wallet. Okay, you can mine at one thread with your CPU or 12. Doesn't matter, you can mine with your GPUs. Another thing that's interesting, just like Beam Wallet. Okay, so basically why this project, is interesting because you could speculative mine, but also you could actually buy. So this could be the next Ravencoin because the amount of hype is a bit unreal. But at the end of the day, there's something that really troubles me. They're saying about, exchange listings. If you want to get added on Crypto Bridge, Trade Ogre, another exchange, KuCoin, these like low to medium volume exchanges, you need a white paper. Not a single cryptocurrency that is listed in here has no white paper. All of them have white paper. Even Quantus, with even 0.9 Bitcoin volume has, a white paper. So all projects have white paper. Why doesn't Litecash? So till now, I did not get the idea why there's no white paper. So I hope that it will get out soon. And basically, this is all about the project. Right now you can actually speculative mine. You could mine a lot of Litecashes. As you can see, 10,000 Litecash. I've mined just in the last 24 hours. It's really interesting. And the difficulty is still low, but at the end of the day, another thing I want to speak of is actually the fork. Now, forks of cryptocurrency don't tend to go really well. It's actually in rare cases they do. For example, we had, Bitcoin to Bitcoin private that failed. we have Bitcoin to Bitcoin Cash that, you know, that worked. You had Zcash to Z Classic that worked. You had Zcash to another project, I think, what was it called? I forgot about it. Anyways, another project, what was it called? Also, you had Ravencoin, okay, X16R, okay, and then, you know, forked to Pigeoncoin. Did Pigeoncoin work? No, it failed. So forks don't tend, you know, they're more of a gamble, okay, because they tend to actually try to make something better of their predecessors and, you know, better than their own pioneers, which is a bit, you know, can fail sometimes because some of them just try to use attention and hype against them. For example, you had Neocoin, okay, and then you had the Neo X fork, and that never happened, and the project failed. So forks are a gamble, okay, either they work, either they do not. So if you're going to actually invest in Litecash, I suggest you start speculative mining. And as I said, you know, it doesn't need any pools. You can mine from your own wallet. It's that simple. And you can join their Discord community, really interesting community. And that's about it. Let me know what you think about this project, Litecash. Is it going to bigger highs, or is it going to lower lows? So let's see what's going up with this project. So thank you guys for watching this video from BitTruth, and see you guys on the next video.